A warm good afternoon to one and all present here, and may this beautiful afternoon fill your heart with happiness. So today we all have joined here for this sports quiz for seniors. Participants, there will be 4 rounds, and out of these 4 rounds, just one round will be passable round, right? If I say about the very first, if I tell you about the very first round there, it will be a non-passable round. The very first round will be a non-passable round, and for each question there will be 10 marks, right? Each team will get 2 questions there in this first round. Then we'll shift to the second round, again a non-passable round. Again, there in this round, each team will get 2 questions. Is that clear? And the third round, as I told you, this will be the passable round. If you do not answer the question within the time frame over there, obviously it has to just pass to the next team. And if the next team answer that question, the credit will be given to the next team, right? So 8 questions will be there, and then after this third round, we'll shift to the last round, that will be the fourth round, and again for each team there will be 2 questions. Am I clear, please? Yes. So we have these participants there: Jina House, Ashna Sharma and Bhagyashree. Theatre House, Natasha Thakur, Sonal Gurung. We have Silverwood House, Ajay Kumar, Shruti Sharma, and Spruce House, Ishika Thakur, Sanjana Thakur. Yes, so we do not have any long list of rules over there. It's as simple. Like once you get the question over there, once it appears on the screen there, and I'll ask you for the answer, and for the answer you will be given 10 seconds. Am I clear, participants? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes.
Any doubt? Any question in your mind there? So how are we gonna start this quiz? Let me first tell you about the team back end there. We have Sanjay sir. He's actually looking after all these whatever technical things are there. We have Pratap sir there. We have Manu sir. We have Ashish sir in fact here. We have Dharampal sir and Torres sir here with us. So this is the kind of that cheat kind of thing over there. If I just start off with the very first question, I will not say okay, this house will start or the other house will start over there. So yes, Pratap sir, please. 10 seconds. Pratap sir, please. Yes. So for the first round, the very first question will go to Spruce House. Question is, where are the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee located? And the options are: option A, yes, Lausanne, Switzerland. Option B, Paris. Option C, Athens, and option D is Atlanta. And Spruce House, your time starts now.
So option A.
Yes, option is the right answer. 10 points to Spruce House. Yes, Spruce House gets the right answer. Let me tell you, this is actually in Switzerland, one of the European country, as you all know. And this place, which is actually the headquarters of this International Olympic Committee, it is on the north Chinar House, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question is, what do the Olympic rings represent? What do the Olympic rings represent? And yes, Chinar House, your options are the 5 oceans, the 5 continents, the 5 planets, and the last one is 5 Greek gods.
Sir, B. Option B.
Option B, 5 continents. That is the right answer. Chinar House, well done. Let me tell you, there are 5 rings. In fact, there are more than 5 continents. Do you know? There are more than 5 continents. But we are talking about these 5 continents, at least we are talking about the first 5 continents which actually participate there in the Olympic Games. And let me tell you please, these 5 continents are actually representing some specific color there in these 5 rings. If I talk about the very first ring, this is in order please. Let me tell you, for your knowledge I am telling you. These 5 rings are in order like blue is there, then comes yellow, then black, then green, and the last one is red. The last one is red. Blue represents Europe, yellow represents Asia, black represents Africa, Greek represents Oceania, and the last thing that is red, it represents South America. Actually it is America, sometimes it is mentioned there as South America, but actually it is both these continents, South and North. America, in general we call that as America. I hope you are enjoying. Yes, what about the audience please? We have, yes, deepest family here, our respected teachers are there. Yes, I hope you all are enjoying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please keep the spirit. We'll have very interesting questions over there. So, Chinar House done? Yes. Now next question goes to Devdar House. Yes, Devdar House, are you ready
Yes, sir.
for the 10 marks, for the 10 points? Yes. Devdar House, this is your question. Citius, Altius, Fortius. This is the motto of Olympic Games. And you are to tell me the meaning of this motto. So your options are, yes, character, attitude, fortitude. Second one is faster, higher, deeper. Third one is faster, higher, stronger. And the last one is bigger,
Yes, sir.
stronger, taller. Yes. The time starts now.
Sir, option C.
Option C, faster, higher, stronger. Right. 10 points. Devdar House, 10 points. So I hope you are ready. Silver Oak.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here is your question. In which year did women participate for the first time in modern Olympic Games? In which year did women participate for the first time in modern Olympic Games? Options are 1900 Paris, 1908 London, then St. Louis 1904, and then Antwerp 1920.
So option A, 1900 Paris.
Option A, right. Very good. Okay, my next question goes to Spruce House. So Spruce House, ready? Yes, Spruce House?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is your question. Who among the following is the lone winner of gold medal from India in the Olympics? These are the options. Abhinav Indra, Vijendra Kumar, Sushil Kumar, Rajyavardhan Rathore. Yes, your time starts now. So, sorry. You answer that. This is a non-passable round. Any guesses there? Not from the participants, please. Not from the participants. Not from the participants, please. This time, audience. Yes. Any guesses there?
Abhinav Bindra, I think so.
You are absolutely right, madam. Abhinav Bindra. And he represented India in shooting event.
Yeah, in 2008, I think.
जी जी बिल्कुल बहुत बढ़िया मैडम थैंक यू माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गोज टू चिनार हाउस नाउ चिनार हाउस आर यू रेडी
Yes,
this is your
sir.
question this is your question at which of these Olympic games did Dhyan Chand captain the gold medal winning Indian hockey team? Yes, in our house, your options are yes, this is Melbourne, then London, then Amsterdam, and then Berlin. The time starts now.
1928 Amsterdam.
Sorry. Berlin. Where is Berlin? Can you tell me please? Berlin. Yes. Yes, participants. Berlin.
So Germany.
Bilkul. Good. I guess this is the capital of Germany. The country in Europe. So sorry, Chinar House. You missed this time. Yes, now the next question goes to the other house. Yes, the other house. Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
participants. Yes, this is your question. Among the following Indians, who was the first to win an individual medal at the Olympics? Among the following Indians, who was the first to win an individual medal at the Olympics? Options are K.D. Jadhav, Leander Paes, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, and Karnam Malleshwari. The time starts now.
Sir, A.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You're right. A. K.D. Jadhav. Renowned wrestler K.D. Jadhav. The other house, you get 10 marks.
Sir.
10 points for this. Silverhook House. I hope Silverhook House, you're ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
For the next venture, you're ready. Okay. Your question is, according to the Olympic Charter, the duration of the competitions of the Olympic Games shall not exceed. That is, it has to be within that only. It should not exceed that. What is number of days, number of years? I don't know. Obviously, it could not be number of years or number of just anything else. Number of months, it could not be there. Right? I hope you understand the question. Question is, according to the Olympic Charter, the duration of the competitions of the Olympic Games shall not exceed, and options are 20 days, 15 days, 12 days, 16 days. The time starts now.
So option B, 16 days.
Option D, 16 days. Yes, right. Right answer. Silverhook, you get another 10 points. Now next question in the same round, that goes to Spruce House. So Spruce House, are you ready? Yes, Spruce House.
Yes, sir.
Yes, options are Berlin, Antwerp, Mexico City, Melbourne.
Sir, option second, 1920 Antwerp.
Yeah, option, you say option B, that is 1920 Antwerp. Okay, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. That is the right answer. At which of the following Olympics were gold medals made of pure gold last awarded? At which of the following Olympics were gold medals made of pure gold last awarded? You know, it is a history that these medals were made of actually pure gold. Today we don't see them as there will be a kind of layer of gold. If we are talking about today's medal there, but yes, it was in some of those Olympics when actual gold was given as a medal there. Okay, so yes, your options are 1912, 1920, 1936, 1948. Yes, Spruce House.
Sir, option A.
Option A, 1912. लॉक किया जाए?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're right. 10 points. Spruce House. In our house?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is your question. Which of the following combination of years represent the year when the Olympic Games were not held due to the two world wars? Options are A, 1914, 40, 44. Yes, option B you have 1640, that is 44. Then C is 1920, 1936, 1940. D, 1936, 1840 and 1944. Your time starts now. Yes, Chinar House.
Sir, option A.
It was 1916, 1940, 1944. Can you tell me the year when First World War started?
1940. 14, sir.
So that's why you guessed it has to be 1914. Right?
Yes, sir. I got confused.
Is the house ready? With the partners?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Yes. So Sonal, this is your question. Which team leads the parade of athletes at the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games? Hosting nation. Second is Greece, hosting nation of the next Olympic Games, and hosting nation of the previous Olympic Games. Your time starts now. Give the house.
Sir, B. Greece.
B, Greece. Give a second thought. B, Greece.
Yes, sir.
You're right. You know that you must have read the history of these Olympic Games, please, and how important this place Greece is. You know that. Yes, that is Greece. Athens, Greece. Right? So yes, these are how you get 10 points. Last question of the round. Last question of the round. So I hope you are ready. Silver Oak, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And your partner is also ready, I know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, this is your question. Which language other than English is the official language of the International Olympic Committee? Let me tell you, there are two languages. Two official languages are there. One is English, and you have to tell the second official language of International Olympic Committee. So your options are Chinese, French, Spanish, German.
French.
French. Ajay says French. Yes, Tuti.
So French.
You're right. is French. There are two official languages. One is English and other is French. Yes, 10 points. Silver Oak, 10 points. Okay, yes, Chinar House, question is, name the city in China where 2008 Summer Olympics took place. 2008 Summer Olympics took
Sir,
place.
Beijing.
Oh my god. Beijing.
Yes,
That's
sir.
great. Great, Ashna. Very good. Beijing is the right option too. Yes, 10 points. 10 points. Okay. Next question goes to Devdar House. Yes, participants, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sonal. And who's your partner?
Sir, Natasha.
Yes, Sonal and Natasha. So I hope you are ready for the next question. Okay. So Devdar House, this is your question. Name the city in Brazil where 2016 Summer Olympics took place. Waka Waka.
Sir, Rio, sir.
Oh my god. Yes, this is another very easy question. Rio de Janeiro. Right answer, 10 points. 10 points for the other house. Next question goes to Silver Oak. Yes, Silver Oak.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, this is your question. Name the city in England where 2012 Summer Olympics took place.
Sir, London.
London. She says London. Right answer. 10 points. Very good study. Next question to Spruce House. Next question goes to Spruce House. Yes, Spruce House. Ready?
Yes, sir.
All set? Both the partners?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the question. Name the city in Greece where 2004 Summer Olympics took place. The time starts now. Name the city in Greece where 2004 Summer Olympics took place. Time up. Time up. Yes. Now among the participants, any guesses there, please?
Sir, Athens.
Yes. So you missed that. Spruce House. Next question to Chinar House. Yes, Chinar House. This is your question.
Yes, sir.
There was a mass boycotting of Olympic Games by 64 countries in the history of Olympics. Which was the Olympics? The time starts now. A very easy question. What 20? So, it is Moscow, 1980 Summer Olympics. So you missed that in our house. Next question goes to Devdar. So Devdar house ready? Yes, this is the question. The other house. Who designed the Olympic flag? Who designed the Olympic flag?
Sir Baron Perrier de Coubertin.
Yes, that is the right answer. Coubertin. 10 points to the other house. Next question goes to Silver Oak. Yes, Silver Oak. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The inception of Olympics was from which country? The inception of Olympics was from which country? Your time starts now.
Greece.
Yes, partner.
Sir, Greece.
10 points. 10 points. Very good. Yes, Spruce House. Last question of the round. Spruce House. Yes, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Spruce House. Okay. Spruce House. This is your question. Olympic Games are organized after a gap of every
4 years.
Okay, 4 years. 4 years. I thought it is 5. Are you sure this is 4 years?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is 4 years. Yes. $10 points. Okay, after the 4 years. Guys, can you tell me the last Olympic, which year it was held? Yes.
2016.
16.
So, and the next, what is the next Olympic after 2016?
So it was supposed to be in 2020, but now it will be in 2021.
So, may I know why it has been just shifted to the next year?
COVID outbreak, sir.
Oh my God, COVID. The time starts now.
Sir, Sakshi Malik. No. Yes, sir, Sakshi Malik.
Yeah. Very good. Sakshi Malik. 10 points. 10 points. Give the house. Very good. Sakshi Malik. Now, next level. Yes. Give the house. Next level means next question. Now, the question that is actually related to this personality, Sakshi Malik. And the question is, when did Sakshi Malik win the Olympic medal? Time. Yes, the time starts now. When
Sir.
did Sakshi Malik?
So 2019.
Sorry, it passes to the next team. It passes to the next team. Sonal, how is that possible? It is.
Sir, yes.
16,
Yes,
sir.
Silver Oak. Silver Oak.
So
Road.
2016.
Silver Oak 2016. That is right answer. So 5 points. Very good, Silver Oak. 5 points. 5 points to Silver Oak. Sonal, see, I guess you were in hurry there. You were in hurry there. See, you remember in 2016 the last Olympic was held. right?
Yes, sir.
And the question related to Olympic only. So 16 plus 4 is 20. It is 2020. Right? The next Olympic is to be held in 2020. And you said 2019. Right? So yes, so you learn one more thing here. How do you just manipulate the data that you have? Right? The manipulation of data is very important at this point, please. So learn. Right, Sonal?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay, good. Thank you. The other house question, yeah, it was rightly being identified, but the question was wrong there. So 10 points for the other house for that. Now next question goes to Silver Oak. Yes, Silver Oak, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The question is, yes. 10 seconds are there.
PV Sindhu.
PV Sindhu. Very good. 10 points. 10 points. PV Sindhu. Yes, now for another 10 points. The question is, you ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, a question will be asked related to this personality, PV Sindhu. Who defeated PV Sindhu in Olympics final? Who defeated PV Sindhu in Olympics final?
So Miriam Carolina.
Mary.
Yes, PV Sindhu started brightly and held in the long rallies to win the opening game. However, Marin came back strongly in the second. The Spanish shuttler was quick across the court and decisive with their smashes to win within just 20 minutes. You must know it was the Olympic of 2016, Brazil Olympic, Waka Waka, right? And I remember only 2 medals were there in terms of number, which India won there. Right, Ashish sir? 2 medals were there in that Olympic. Okay, right. Now next question. Next question goes to Spruce House. Spruce House.
Sania Nehwal.
Saina Nehwal. Right answers. 10 points. Spruce House. Okay, now the question related to this personality, Saina Nehwal. This is the question. When Saina Nehwal won an Olympic medal, which year? Time up. Question passes to Chinar House. Chinar House, your time starts now.
So 2010, 2012, London 2012.
How is it possible if both of you are giving 2 different responses there? Time up. Yes, Devdar.
Sir, 2012.
2012. Devdar says 2012. So yes, that is the right answer. So 5 points to Devdar House. Five points to Devdar House. Okay, it was the London Summer Olympics in 2012 and she won bronze medal there. In our house, are you ready? Yes, in our house, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes,
Sania Mirza.
Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza. Right. Sania Mirza. She's an Indian tennis player, but married to. She's married to.
Pakistani.
Cricket.
Pakistan.
हाँ जी, a famous cricketer.
Shoaib Malik.
Don't worry. Yes.
Mahesh
yes.
Bhupathi.
Oh, Mahesh Bhupathi, where are you? Ajay. Okay, no problem. At least you try. Okay, ठीक है. Yes, you got 10 points for this right identification. Now, question related to the personality. Yes, Chinar House. This is the question, and you get 10 seconds for this. Where was she born? Time up. Desert House.
Hyderabad.
Desert House.
Sir, Mumbai.
Sonal says Mumbai. Desert House says Mumbai. Desert House says Mumbai, and this is the right answer. Yes. Let me tell you here. Desert gets 5 points for this. Desert gets 5 points for this. But let me tell you, Sania Mirza actually she belongs to a Hyderabadi family, right? असल में वो हैदराबाद के हैं, ओके, बट आपको पूछा गया कि व्हाट इज द प्लेस वेयर शी वाज एक्चुअली बोर्न देयर, ओके, हैदराबादी फैमिली थी वो, दैट्स व्हाई योर ऑप्शन वेंट देयर, यू सेड हैदराबाद. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दिस गोज टू देवदार हाउस नाउ. टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ.
Sir, he's Bindra. Arvindra something.
Bindra, yes. Okay, you are right. I'll give you for this. You're 99% close. So yes, she's right. This is Abhinav Bindra. So 10 points for the other house. Yes, now the question related to Abhinav Bindra. The question is, Abhinav Bindra is associated with which sports? Easy question, very easy question.
Shooting, sir.
Shooting, sir.
Shooting. Yes. Right answer. You get 10 points for this. Okay, now next question goes to Silver Oak. Yes, Silver Oak.
Yes, sir.
Sonal Ajay, -5 if you're turning off your camera.
Yes, sir.
-5. Please don't do that. Next question. Silver Oak. Ready? Yes, Silver Oak.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the question. Yes. Time up. It passes to Spruce. Spruce, okay, time starts now. Time up. Chinar House. Passes. Yes, Devdar. Time up. Sorry. Yes. Audience, please. Audience. Anyone there? Yes, Manoj sir, please. Yes, Major Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. And you must know he was in the cabinet there, the previous cabinet, the previous Lok Sabha. He was the sports minister there. Major Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. Will you remember it now? Yes. So question is there, so no need to ask that question, right? Question is in fact there. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore is associated with which sports? Again, shooting. Okay. That's it. Who is this? Time up. It passes to Chinar. Chinar house.
Sushil Kumar.
Sushil Kumar. Sushil Kumar. Sushil Kumar. Right. Sushil Kumar, a renowned wrestler. Right. So 5 points to Chinar house. Five points to Chinar house. Yes, Chinar house. I'll ask this question to you only, but you'll get 5 marks for this. You'll get 5 marks for this because this is already passed. So I'll ask this question to Chinar house because you were able to identify this personality. So question will be given to you only, and you'll get 5 marks, not 10, please. Okay. So Chinar house. Question is, which sport is Sushil Kumar famous for?
Sir, wrestling.
Wrestling. Should I give them this? Should I give them 5 marks, please? Participants, tell me, because I gave them the idea. Bolo. Yes. Yes, other house is there. If you don't have any objection there, I will give them 5 marks. Otherwise, no. Yes, Tuti, what do you say? Sivaruk. Please tell me wisely. I am not in any favor over there.
No, sir.
Okay, no. And what do you say, Devda house? Devda house?
No, sir.
Hanji, no, sir. Achha. So obviously the house who gave this right answer will say yes. So out of 3, 2 says no. So it is no. I will not give them 5 marks. So sorry, Shiga. Okay, don't mind, please. For this, what I'll do? I'll ask you one extra question there, right? I guess one team we have left there for the for this question, or is it done? Done? I guess Chinar is left now. Yes. Okay. Now next question that will go to Chinar house. Yes, Chinar house. You ready? Yes, Chinar house.
Yes,
Bhagishi, please turn on the camera, otherwise it will be -5. So this is the question. Yes, identify this person. Time up. Desert house. Desert house. It passes. Sivaruk. Sivaruk. Yes, Spruce house. Time up. Yes, from audience, please. Ruchi madam. Ruchi madam, are you there? Ruchi madam, are you there? Yes, anyone from audience, please. Let me tell you, he's from the hometown of Manu sir. Sir. He's from Hamirpur. Okay, this guy, he's from Hamirpur. Let me tell you, please. He's from Hamirpur. And if I'm not wrong, he's from one of the Dogra regiments. Right, sir? Yes, of Indian Army. And I guess he's honorary captain now. Yes. Yes.
So, Vijay Kumar.
Yes, Vijay Kumar. स्तुति थोड़ा सा पहले बोल देती. चलो, no problem. But yes, you guessed it right. Honorary captain, SM. Yes, Vijay Kumar Sharma. Question: which sport is Vijay Kumar Sharma famous for? I won't ask you because I won't give you marks for this. But yes, you must know. Shooting. Right? So I think this round is over now. Chinar House, 35 points. We have Spruce House, 40 points. Then we have Silver Oak, 75 points. And the other house, 90 points. Well done. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice. Now we move to the last round of the quiz. And in this round, there are 8 questions again. And 2 questions will go to each team. So, yes, so try to improve your score here. So this time I'm going to start off with Spruce House. Right? So Spruce House, you ready? Let me tell you again about this round. It's a non-passable round. And each team will be asked 1 question. And for the right answer, 10 points will be given for that. For the right answer. So yes, make sure you just answer that within 10 seconds. Non-passable round, please. Make it clear. Last round. And very easy questions in this round. Very easy question in this round. So Spruce House, I hope you're ready. Yes, Spruce House. Yes
sir.
or no? Okay, fine. Spruce House says yes. So first question goes to of this round. First question of this round goes to Spruce House. Spruce House for 10 points. What is the prize money of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award?
25 lakh.
Hanji?
25 lakh. 25
Options are
lakh.
there. Options are also there. Yes, options are there. Options are there. He made this round also very easy for you. Yes, 25 lakhs. So Spruce House says 25 lakhs. Okay, I'll give you 25 lakhs. 10 points, Spruce House. Right. Next house is Chinar House. Chinar House, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Chinar House. This is your question. Which of the following Indian cricketer won Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in the recently announced National Sports Award 2020? Let me tell you, there were five personalities who were given this award, and one name has been just introduced here. So out of these 4 options, one is out of those 5 winners there. Okay, so you just choose the right one. Options are, yes, Chinar House. Options are Rohit Sharma, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, and none of the above.
Rohit Sharma.
Hey, Rohit Sharma. Why Sachin Tendulkar? And why not Virat Kohli? The contribution not less. You are right. Is Rohit Sharma?
So the other house, are you ready? Yes. The other house, you're ready? Yes. Okay. Which famous sports person's birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day every year in India? Your options are Major Dhyan Chand, P.T. Usha, Sachin Tendulkar, or none of the above.
Sir, option A, sir. Major Dhyan.
Okay, Major Dhyan Chand. Yes, Major Dhyan Chand is the right answer. Yes, again the hockey wizard, magician, right? So I think 3 gold medals were won with the Indian team when he was in the team there. Right, Ashish sir? Yes, so 10 points. The other house 10 points. Next question goes to Silver Oak. Silver Oak, you are ready? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is your question. Name the coach of the archery who has won the lifetime category Dronacharya Award in the recently announced National Sports Awards 2020. Dronacharya Award given to the coach, you must know. Okay? Guru. So this award specifically to a person who was a coach of the Indian archery team was given to which personality? Your options are yes, Shri Purushottam Rai, Shri Krishna Kumar Huda, Shri Dharmendra Tiwari, Shri Vijay Balachandra Munishwar.
Option C.
हाँ जी, ऑप्शन
Sir, option C.
ऑप्शन सी, श्री धर्मेंद्र तिवारी. Right answer. It was given to, as you can see there, the other names given in the list there, they are also Dronacharya awardees. They were also given Dronacharya award there, but in different fields, different sports there. This time this has been specifically asked about the archery. So Shri Dharmendra Tiwari is the right option. So 10 points to Silver Oak. Next question to Spruce. So Spruce, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Spruce. Okay. So this is the question. When did the Arjuna Award begin? Which year?
So 1961.
Right answer. Right answer. 1961. 10 points to Spruce House. You made these options separately. Right. Okay, no problem. Yes, 1961 is the right option. So Spruce House, 10 points. Next question goes to Chinar House. So Chinar House, are you ready? Last 3. Chinar House, you ready? Yes? Chinar House? Okay, so this is the question. In which the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award started? In which year basically it is? In which year the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award started? Yes, Chinar House? Options are these. Yes, these are the options. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. A 1991-92. Chinar House is 1991-92. She's right. And let me tell you, this is the most decorated award given in the field of sports. Right? Sports की field में सबसे बड़ा award is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Like we have Bharat Ratna, which is not in the field of sports, but Bharat Ratna is in some other category over there. So yes, right option chosen by Chinar House, 1991-92. So 10 points to Chinar House. Now next question goes to Devdar House. So Devdar House, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, this is the question. In which year the Dronacharya Award was first given? It mentioned the year in which Dronacharya Award was first given. Option A, 1982. Option B, 1983. Option C, 1984. And option D, 1985.
Sir, 1985.
1985. Sonal says, the other house says this is 1985. You said 1985?
Sir.
Yes. Right. 10 points to the other house. Now last question of the round. Last question of the round. This goes to Silverhook. So Silverhook, Stuti,
Yes, sir.
ready for a splendid finish? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope that. So this is the question. When did Dhyan Chand Award started? In which year did Dhyan Chand Award started? So option A, 2000. Option B, 2002. Option C, 2004. Option D, 2006.
So option B, 2002.
Option B, 2002. You have still 3 seconds. Option C, you said?
So option B.
Okay, option B. I was just confusing you. Okay. Yes, you're right. You're right. So 10 points to Stuti, especially this time. So let us just compile the result, please. So yes, here comes the result sheet. Report card. Please let me make it very clear before I announce the result. Before I announce the result, please let me make it very clear. Let me tell you one line, please. Failure doesn't mean you are failed. Yes. Failure doesn't mean you are failed. It just means you have not succeeded yet. And yes, once you choose hope, anything is possible. So never be hopeless. Right? So let me announce the result now, please. So we have 4 houses: Chinar House, Devdar House, Silverhook, and Spruce House. I'll tell you the points in ascending order. I'll tell you the points in ascending order. Chinar House, 55 points. Then we have Spruce House, 60 points. Spruce House, 60 points. Spruce House, 60 points. Then we have Silverhook with 95 points. And yes, with 110 points. So yes, the other house, 110 points. Congratulations. Please, yes, participants, consider this as a beginning. Whenever you find any such opportunity there, any sort of, please, just go ahead. Okay, this is the right platform, I tell you, and you will in future, aapko, like, you'll be in your higher studies over there. So this kind of platform you will never expect, please. So please, in future, especially when this is just it's all about your schooling, you get these chances there. Don't miss them. Okay. So I wish you all very best for your future, and participate, please. Participation is very important. Participate as much you can. Okay. So please, those who got least points there, no need to lose your spirit. Don't do that, please. Okay, but yes, next time ke liye, just come with more of what preparation there. This is all I tell you, because it was quite clear in the beginning itself when this quiz was decided by our sports minister Ashish sir. Yeah, he's the sports minister of our school, right? So yes, the credit goes to him as well, and the entire DPS family, please, all of us here, whether you were a part of this directly or indirectly, all of us, we all deserve this. Please clap for all of us. Clap for all of us. Yes. I hope it has turned out into a successful venture, and if some things were left over there, we'll try to improve them for the next time. And thank you very much. Thank you for joining, all the participants. Congratulations all. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Subhash sir. Thank you so
Jai Hind,
much.
Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
It's really
Jai
good.
Bharat sir, finally.
Thank you.
Thank you sir.
Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Subhash sir, you have been a very good quiz master, and we all thoroughly enjoyed everything that you said.
Yeah. Thank you, Sarah, but your voice is not that clear. I know you are appreciating my things. Thank you.
I'll say it again.
Yeah.
Let me say it again that I thoroughly enjoyed the quiz. You have been a wonderful quiz master.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you very much.
Very true. Very true.
Yes.
Thank you for appreciating. Yes.
Thank you, Subhash sir.
Thank you, please. Thank you.